In this video, let's go over the pros and cons of the Amazon affiliate programs, which is called the Amazon Associates.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
First, let's start with the pros. It is the single biggest affiliate site with hundreds of thousands of products to choose from in almost every category you can think of almost. It's the #1 affiliate site out there. It's the biggest. And Amazon is very good at selling and upselling, which is going to mean that not only you have high conversion rates of products, you're going to have large average order values, meaning even if you sell a $10 item, it doesn't mean that the ultimate sale is going to be for $10. Amazon is fantastic at upselling, so it might be $20, $30, $40, $50 of the total sale because they sell a lot of things in bundles. People who buy this also buy that. They have all kinds of algorithms to maximize sale price, and you get the commission of the total sale, not just the initial product which you sold. And of course, you get the commission for the 24 hours after your initial referral, which is the length of their affiliate cookie. Also, Amazon is one of the most trusted brands online, which means that typically the products you're going to sell have very high conversion rates, and you don't have to just settle for any products. Amazon has public information of what its best sellers are. So you can sell something that you know already sells extremely well. Some of the most popular products in every category sell really, really well, has really high conversion rates, and those are the products that you can promote in whatever category or niche you're in. Now, there are some cons to Amazon. The problem with Amazon is that they sell physical products, meaning they can only offer small commissions. Sometimes it's 7 to 9%, sometimes it's 5 to 9%, depending on the category. But these commissions are small. If you sell a $10 item and that's the only item the person buys, you didn't even make $1. So Amazon has some of the smallest commission rates in the market because it's physical products. With digital products, you can get commission rates of like 50%, 75%, sometimes even more, because digital products are cheap to reproduce. With physical products, it's really hard for Amazon to give high commission rates, especially because it's already so discounted over there. And also the problem with their affiliate cookie is that it's also some of the shortest affiliate cookies in the market, only 24 hours, whereas some other sites offer a week, a month, 3 months, even up to a year. So those are the problems with Amazon, but there's many good things about it, specifically high conversion rates, and they upsell a lot for you.